cool? Morning. We're going for a walk today.
Remember, keep your feet level. Yeah, there you go, there you go. There you go. Try not to pedal, just keep it level. Yeah. No, level. Yeah, there you go, there you go. And stand up. There you go, stand up. Perfect. Try not to...
I'm scared.
Okay, go.
No, I can't.
Just come this way. Just come down this little hill so you get the feeling.
I can't, it's too high.
No, come towards me. Just come down this little hill right here. Just so you get the feeling, okay? Towards me, okay?
I can't.
Yeah, come on.
I can't.
Towards me, okay?
I can't. Oh, I'm scared. I can't.
Okay, then if you can't, then don't do it.
How did you do it? I'm scared.
You just roll down. Come towards me. You're not gonna do anything if you just roll down.
I can't. I'm gonna fall. Do you put the brakes on?
No. You don't do anything. You just try to maintain your balance, okay?
I can't. I can't.
Okay. Okay.
Scary. Okay. I got this. Oh my God!
Go left. Go left.
I did it!
Yeah, you did. How's it feel?
It's scary.
I can't believe you did the whole thing.
In towards your lower back. Sit up even taller. Coming back. Just taking. And let the motion to the side bend. Trying to get up. Exhale.
it is. It's a mess, but it'll work. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, February 20th, and it's currently 10:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go to Sujita to get my Sukumen craving satisfied. So that's where we're heading today.
You gotta go all the way up by the turn. You gotta get a little speed. All right, go. Come on, shred it. Yeah, go up.
Wait, do I have to have my feet?
Here she comes.
You know what?
Okay.
Oh, medium size.
It fits you good?
Yeah, like I like how it fits. It's a little. How do you put this on?
Oh, it clips. Oh, I don't like the way that clips. But you might like it.
It's a little loose.
It's supposed to fit snug. But
It's
here,
loose.
let me tighten it.
There we go. Too tight. That's gonna give me a headache now.
Okay. Here, I loosened it up.
How's this?
It's supposed to fit snug.
Whoa, they look cool.
Yeah.
How do I look?
You look cool.
Do I look cool?
Yeah.
Make me look cool. Hello.
Yeah, that one's on sale.
So what do we think of this one? Oh yeah. I need the visor one.
Yeah.
I look cute in this. We like this one. So my husband has the same one, but his is black. So right now mine is white. Can I try on this one?
Which one?
This?
Yeah.
I just want to see.
It's the same one. It just doesn't have the visor.
Oh, this would look cool too.
You can get it without a visor.
Or this one, just like black and white. Oh yeah.
It says LA County
LA County where?
on the side.
their dog.